Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Amit Digital. If you are looking to give your blogger a professional touch by using your own domain instead of standard blogspot.com, then you are at the right place. Let's start the video. First of all, you should have a domain name. If you don't have, please purchase any domain from any popular option like GoDaddy, Hostinger, Google. So many options are there. Let's log in into your blogger account. This is my blog. Now I will shift this blog at a specific domain. Now just click on settings. Now you can see the default URL is healthtoday121.blogspot.com. Now I will shift this blog at a specific domain. Just click on custom domain. I have noted down all the things in notepad file just because of save the time. Now add your domain here. Please also remember, whenever you will add your domain, it should be with www. Add first www. Then your domain name. Now just click on save button. Now it will show you the CNames whatever you have added in your domain panel setting. It will give you two CNames. Both will be added in your domain setting to active this setting. I have also added A records also here. If your domain is parked or hosted at another server, then it will also need to change. First of all, we will change the A records. Just copy this IP address and paste here. Then simply click on save button. Now we will change the CName. Just choose CName. Then copy www. Then copy this and paste in value option. Just save. Again click on CName, then name, then again copy this value and paste here, then save. Let's try again. I think there is some issue. And paste again, then save. Let's check the CName once again. I think CName variable has changed. Just copy the CName from here. Just change the CName, then save and copy this value also. Then save. Again copy the first record. Then save. Let's check again. Just refresh the page. and click on custom domain. and save. Now your domain has added. Just enable the redirect option, just click on it and let's check it's working or not. Just scroll down the page, click on view blog. See, your domain is live at your custom domain. Sometimes it takes 15 to 20 minutes. Don't worry about that. After done all the settings, it will definitely work. Friends, please like and share the video and support my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.